Hello and welcome. I'm just going to show you very quickly how to convert a PDF, for example an exam paper, into a Word document. Now this will work for most PDF documents, but it may not convert all of them. It depends where they're originally created, but it should work fine for most exam papers. So here I have two PDF exam papers. I'm just going to right click on one of them and I'm going to click on Open With, and I'm going to click on Choose Another App. So right click, Open With, choose another app. And I'm going to click on More Apps. And I'm going to select Word from the list and click OK. Now this might take a couple of moments, so I'm just going to click OK to that message. You can see that it's loading. It takes a few moments, but you get your PDF converted into a Word document, and it makes, for example, creating tests maybe a little bit easier. Now the formatting will jump around a little bit. You can see that would obviously be on a new page, but you can edit that and then you can just go into the question, you can lines on it, you can change the color, you can do whatever you want now that you're in Microsoft Word, or indeed you can just copy and paste out of it into a new document. So you can see how easy it is just to change it over into a Word document, and of course don't forget to save it then when you have it created. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.